Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Gonna have another exciting recipe coming at you. We are gonna turn this and this into something amazing. Be right back. Hey folks, welcome back. We're gonna go ahead and, I got our potatoes peeled. We're gonna go ahead and dice them up. Ta-da! All diced up. Now we're gonna go ahead and throw some water in the pan. Put a little salt in here. We're going to get these on to boil. And then we'll go ahead and chop up our onion, get our burger going. I'll be right back, folks. Welcome back. We got our burger in the pan. Going to go ahead and throw in some garlic. Some salt. Remember, folks, you got to season your meat. Some pepper. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get this burger frying up. Get it browned up about halfway through the browning. We're going to go ahead and throw the onion in, which I already have diced up over here for you folks. Alright, go ahead and get this chopped up a little bit. I'm probably definitely going to add some more salt and pepper to this. It is 4 pounds of ground beef. Alright. What I put in there was probably the equivalent for probably 2 pounds, but you know, have guests coming over, so we went with 4. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and throw some more seasoning in this. We'll get this burger browned up. I'll be back when we throw the onions in. Got our potatoes boiling, folks. See you in a few. Welcome back, folks. Going to go ahead and get our burger drained off here. Our potatoes are ready to be mashed. Just finished draining off the burger. There's the burger all drained off, brown. The onion's already in.
Smells good.
And we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and make up the sauce for our hamburger gravy. Bear with us. I'll be right back. I added 3 cups of water. We're gonna go ahead and add another cup with 2 tablespoons of flour. That's going to give us our thickening agent for the gravy. Potatoes are done. I'm just not ready to mash them yet, so I got them sitting in the water. We're going to go ahead and bring this to a boil and let it thicken up. Simple, down-home hamburger gravy over mashed potatoes, folks. All right. It'll just be a few moments while the sauce thickens. We'll go ahead and bring you back when I'm mashing up the potatoes. Ciao. Alright. How you doing, folks? We're going ahead. We're mashing up our potatoes here. I added the salt, pepper, the butter. I just put a splash of milk in there. Don't add too much milk to them because then you end up with runny potatoes. I have had this old bowl for a long time. going to finish blending these up, folks, and we'll get it plated. I got it plated for you. Classic hamburger gravy over mashed potatoes. It's very tasty. It's very simple. And I'd like to thank you again for hanging out with a Reaper and being part of the Reaper's crew. Love y'all. Have a great evening.